welcome back to my channel. And this video is actually gonna be a couple different parts to it, but this is gonna be the start of renovating my kitchen. Well, DIYing it. This is actually a reno, so we can't really do that much, but we are gonna do some stuff to make it, you know, nicer. But let me give you guys a tour of everything, how it looks now, and then things that we're gonna change or might change. So this is an overview of how my kitchen looks right now. I know, so outdated, right? But let's go closer. So we just got that fridge. That was the one we had, ugly. So we got stainless steel and we got the French door style. So what we're gonna do is paint all the cabinets and change all of the hardwares. But yeah, and then we're gonna get on stainless steel microwave and the stove because I broke the glass part. We're gonna fix all of this. Don't mind our clean dishes, don't mind that. He has to fix the door for that because my son broke it. What else we're gonna change? And I think that's everything. I did do the granite that's there, and it is wallpaper from Amazon, and I'll leave all of the links in the description if you guys want to go check it out. And then the like that's also like wallpaper, and this I actually got it from the dollar store. So it wraps around all of the kitchen, and I might put some light like behind there so it can like reflect. But yeah, this white part, I don't know if I want to do it like gray or just do all white with stainless steel hardware. Right now we're gonna go to Home Depot to buy some paint for the cabinets and maybe some cabinet knobs for it. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna go see what we find at Home Depot. Home Depot line. They can smell ugly, you know why? Because they can see your face.
Do you just say I can smell ugly? You're so weird.
Like, look at the other color. Okay.
Wow. Can you go faster?
Huh? I'm looking up. So now we're going to Dollar Tree to get some, what was it? Sandpaper, wood filler, and one more paintbrush, I think.
Oh,
right there. So let's go. Mask on, Lisha.
Oh, I don't know what happened to it.
Mask on, Lisha. Let's go.
I can't believe I did that.
So the first thing that we have is this Rust-Oleum semi-gloss paint, and we're gonna cover the what is that thing? This part. We're gonna paint that. We got this painter's pack, like painting set. And then this is the paint we're gonna use, the Bae Premium Cabinet and Trim Enamel. It is in the finish semi-gloss, and it is white, but hubby kind of is not the fan of the white, so we're gonna see what we do along the way. I do have gray, so maybe I'll mix in a little bit so it's not so white. We got a set of 4 of these bar pulls, the 3-inch ones, so we've got 16 of them. And then we've got the 1 feet, we got 2 of them. Dollar Tree, we got masking tape, spackle to cover the holes, I got 2 of them, and brush and 2 sanding block. It's like sponge, but yeah, that's everything that we got from our shopping trip today. So the first thing that we are doing is taking all of the cabinets and all of the hardwares and hinges out.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Just put all of the hinges and the cabinet screws in a little Ziploc bag, and this is how the kitchen is looking right now. Ew, that's ugly. So now what we are doing is actually sanding all of the cabinets down, but I think we should have cleaned it first because it was so hard to take out like the grease stains on some of them. But yeah, so we're just doing that, and we just got the sanding block from Dollar Tree, but we ended up going to get another normal one because this one was sucky. Since we finished sanding all of the cabinets, I ended up just going over and cleaning the cabinet, like the ones on the wall, so the paint can go on easily. But I realized that I missed some spots, so I have to do them later on. I ended up doing it. So now we are spackling the holes that are on the cabinets because we are going to change the position of the knobs. And the spackle went on easily and it dried up in minutes. We got this spackle from Dollar Tree. I couldn't imagine they had it. But this is how it came out. As you can see, there's like you can't see like where the holes were. And I am happy with the product. Here I needed the assistance of my hubby. He is just drilling all the new holes for the hardwares because I feel like I would have messed it up and my knobs would look crooked. So he just has a ruler and he's just measuring one, so then he knows what to put for all of the other handles. And he's just drilling it with, I don't know the drills, but you know, he's just drilling holes in them. So this is why you need to double check the way your cabinets are, because I pointed out to him that he drilled the holes on the wrong side. But we just ended up keeping it like that, and we're just gonna change the hinges. So the last thing that we're going to do before the day ends is put a first coat of paint on all of the cabinets. Not the doors, but like the wall units. And then in the next video, we'll continue this. was the end of day 1, and as you can see, all that we did was put the first layer of paint on, so it's not like fully covered, but we will do that on day 2. But I like how it's coming out. Like, I feel like the white made everything look so bright. As you can see, like there, I'm gonna need to put like a second coat. There's my ring light. But yeah, this is how it came out. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Give it a like, subscribe, click the bell, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.